So how does it work when I energize the water for you on a distance? First of all, I have a glass container here. I add normal water in it and I put both my hands on top of it, preferably touching the water. And the energy from my hands will energize the water. But before that, I tune into you, to your water molecules. I would get intuitively with the communication, my water molecules and your water molecules, what your body needs and what you need. And then I'll add the water in this glass bottle. And see, you can put a drip in your bottle every day, in your water bottle that you drink. And like I already explained, the highest energy influences the other energy. So one drop of this water will change the whole energy of your bottled water. Now that's remarkable. And just imagine how many drops there are in this bottle. So I think it's 200 centiliters. So that's how it works. That's how I do my magic.